Rebar Cutter DBC 16H. Multifunctional device rebar cutter developed by BN Products is a compact tool that combines the capabilities of the pipe bender and the cutter for the armature. The armature can be bent at any angle, after which the necessary workpiece is quickly and simply cut off by powerful knives. The tool is useful because it can be used on site straight away rather than prepare all the elements separately. Electro-hydraulic design allows working with armature of up to 0.6 inches in diameter and can bend up to 180 degrees. The bending angle is set with a grating handle, while a knife can be closed with a lid if necessary, ensuring safe use of the tool. Stability and simplicity of work with the instrument is achieved by a special shape of the case. The weight of the device is about 40 pounds. Quadsaw. Having difficulties making holes of rectangular shape during renovation? No problem. London engineers have developed a device that will do it for you. The tool, created in London by the Genius IP startup, expands the functionality of the drill, provided that you already have it, turning it into a saw and allowing you to make a hole in the form of a neat square or rectangle without applying too much effort. The saw uses technology called quad blade, patented by the company. It works like this. A metal frame securely fixes the device, which uses 4 serrated metal saws to cut out the hole in the wall. This small upgrade will significantly reduce the time spent on sawing each side of the rectangle by hand. Crescent Connect clamps. Innovative clamps that can be assembled into entire retention systems was developed by the Australian company Crescent. Actually, the design of semi-automatic clamps isn't any revolutionary, but the used materials increase the compressive force to 680 Nm, which is the highest indicator on the market. Crescent clamps with semi-automatic clamping mechanism are made with rubberized, comfortable handles. To remove the tool from the part, just pull the trigger, after which the mechanism releases the clamp. Clamping jaws are also adapted for fixing metal and PVC pipes, while round objects are securely blocked with the help of a notch. All Crescent clamps can be assembled into a single system for fixing the product at any angle and at any distance from each other. Masonry Saw. Most saws are noisy, produce a lot of dust, and are not too convenient and safe to work with. The Masonry Saw by the IQ Power Tools is a new generation of saw machines with an intelligent waste collection system. The machine is fully mobile, easily folds up to the size of 2 ordinary suitcases, and fits in the trunk of the car. A powerful electric motor rotates a 16-inch replaceable disc saw. The depth of the cut is 5.5 inches. The length of the broach is 24 inches. The feet of the workpiece is carried out with the help of a rack mount carriage with an anti-slip coating. The waste collection container is located under the saw unit. It is hermetically sealed and can separate shavings from sawdust by the size of the fraction for subsequent use or disposal. The dust collection system captures 99.5% of all waste. Mixer 50S. A compact mixer by the Italian company Metabo Mixer 50S is intended for preparation of a ready solution of dry building mixes and concrete mixes. The mixer is equipped with a 1.2 kilowatt electric motor with a control panel and the possibility of automatic shutdown. Water is poured into a plastic tank with a volume of 50 liters, and the dry mixture is poured over the plastic protective cover. Rotating together with the mixer screw, the casing distributes the dry mixture evenly throughout the tank volume, preventing the formation of clots and lumps. The safety of the device is ensured by a microswitch, triggered by the lifting of the working head. The frame of the device is made of thin-walled pipes and is equipped with wheels for convenience of moving the mixer without unloading the finished mixture. The weight of the device is only 53 pounds. Hammerhead Tools. Australian company Hammerhead has developed a simple but effective holder for self-taping screw bits. The bit drive is unique because it uses a magnetic head as a nozzle. It is designed in such a way that it simultaneously holds on the body of the bit and securely fixes the screw. At the same time, an ideal alignment of the grooves on the self-taping screw and the incision of the bit is achieved. The magnetic retainer has a retention force that is 4 times the holding force in regular magnets. The magnetic console allows performing work with one hand without holding the screw. In addition, it saves the material of the bit and allows using the screw again without damaging the notches on the head. The magnetic console hammerhead works only paired with branded bits because it has a unique geometry of the body. Metabo Multi-Tool MT400. Oscillator Metabo Multi-Tool MT400 is designed for cutting, polishing, sawing, and stripping of a wide variety of materials, from wood and plastic to tile and metal. The multi-purposeness of the device is provided by a set of replaceable attachments. They can be changed quickly without using the threaded connection equipped with the Metabo Quick Lock. The main difference of a multifunctional device is that the working body does not rotate as in with the angle grinder, but performs fast oscillatory movements with an amplitude of 3.2 degrees. For ease of use of the instrument indoors, the front of the housing is equipped with a removable dust flue that connects to any vacuum cleaner. The device is equipped with a set of nozzles for sawing wood, ceramics, metal, as well as with soles for grinding and polishing. Sandpaper is fixed to the sole by the sticker and can be quickly changed if necessary. The oscillator has been modified both in terms of charging and battery capacity. Mixing mate. Everyone has ever encountered problems associated with opening and storage of paints and varnishes in tin cans. After the first opening, the lid does not close tight, the paint dries up, and it has to be thrown away. The unique mixing mate solves this problem. It replaces both the lid and the ever-lost splint for mixing paint or varnish. The device consists of a sealed cover that fits snugly to the can with a comfortable sliding nozzle for pouring paint into the spray canister or into a smaller container. In addition, the device mixes the paint with the solvent until a uniform mixture is obtained. For this purpose, the lid is equipped with a mixing auger driven by a handle in the upper part. After use, the paint is hermetically sealed and can be stored without losing its properties or thickening. Max Twintier RB44IT. The rechargeable battery RB441T is intended for coupling of fittings for the construction of foundations, motorways, and reinforced concrete structures. This is the 7th generation of automatic devices for coupling of fitting systems. The compact and lightweight device performs coupling in a few seconds, while manual binding takes at least 2 to 3 minutes for each fixing point. The device performs coupling in such a way that the knot does not protrude beyond the dimensions of the structure and the concrete mixture, providing a clean and smooth surface of the finished structure. The tool has a mechanism for adjusting the wire tightening force, the height of the knot, and the number of turns on the girth and in the knot. All adjustment is done using the compact handles on the body. The device works with fittings of any thickness and is also used for the installation of heat-insulated floors and prefabricated structures. Quickbox. Tape Tech has introduced an innovative device for the alignment of seams, Quickbox. It's designed to apply a thin, even layer with a quick hardening filler along the entire length of the seam. The device is normally used when plasterboard partitions are installed or when walls are covered with plasterboard or other sheet metal. It makes it possible to perfectly smooth the seam in a few minutes. The aligning material, puttying or a 2-component polymetric joint filler, is laid inside the body of the device and squeezed out through the whole width of the body with a flat ribbon. The handle is fixed to cover with nuts and can be either short or with an extension. The thickness of the layer is regulated by multicolored label inserts. The insert ensures a uniform distribution of the material along the entire length of the seam. The tool is also great for leveling window and door frames. It can also be used for quick processing of large area surfaces. Guys, thanks for watching us. If the video was interesting, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and to turn on notifications in order not to miss the new releases. See you next time.